Hello children, how are you? I am fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about plant and animal tissues. Let's start in the session plant and animal tissues. Look at the picture. So different type of character. So first cell, tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms. So first, what is fundamental unit of life? Other words, building block of an organism. The cell. Absolutely right. Cell make up the all living organisms. How many cells? Number of cells in an organism. Organism like amoeba is single cell or unicellular. Just one cell constitutes the body amoeba. This cell carries the all functions of body: respiration, digestion, locomotion, excretion. What about the dog? They have many cells make up their body. What are the group of cells? Each cluster of cells tissue, and each tissue carries specific function. Multicellular organisms, tissues in the body, specific places in specific function. This is called division of labor body. Can you give me few example? The muscle? Yes. Function, contraction, relaxation, and muscles, involuntary muscles and non-voluntary muscles and cardiac muscles. So differentiate. What about blood? Transport nutrients, hormones, waste material. Connective tissues of the human body. Plant have tissues? Yes. Similar to animal tissues? No. Similar to human tissue? No. Plants non-motile, that is not moving, and dead tissues provide support, less maintenance. So plant and animal tissues differentiate. Okay. Look at the picture. This is very important. Our body is made up of many organs, each of perform a particular function. A group of organs that work together to carry out same function form an organ system. For example, stomach, intestine, liver, and pancreas carry out digestion. Nervous system is receiving sensory signal from your eyes. It is processing this signal in the brain. Your skeletal and muscular systems are working to make you sit on the chair, lift the book, and turn the page. And next, the digestive system. Digestive food you have eaten earlier, so your respiratory system is absorbing oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide in the air, and your circulatory system is carrying food and oxygen to all the parts of the body. So the skeletal system, human skeletal system, framework of bones. So the framework is skeleton. The main function, protecting the internal organs. Internal organs, heart, kidney, stomach, these are all. Giving structure to our body, allowing movement with the help of muscles, and producing blood cells, storing minerals like calcium. In adult human, skeleton has 206 bones of different sizes and shapes. More than half of the bones are arms and legs. 3 bones are present in each ear. A newborn baby has more than 300 bones. Bones fuse to form 206 bones in the adult. Human skeletal consists of skull, backbone, rib cage, 2 pairs of limb. The skeleton divided into 2 groups, an axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. The skull protects the brain, so consists of 22 bones, and backbone. The backbone is chain of 33 small bones called, and rib cage. Ribs are thin, flat, curved bones, that is protective cage around the lungs, heart and kidneys. So these are all very important. So the next, the endocrine system. So the skin and appendages like the hair and nails constitute the endocrine system. So the main function, protect the body by keeping germs out of it and regulates body temperature. So the main point, regulate body temperature. So functions to protect against injuries like small cuts and wounds, and to eliminate waste product. Sweat glands. Sweat glands, வியர்வை சுரப்பிகள். So next, excretory system. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and the urethra constitute the excretory system. So the main function, this help in removal of nitrogenous waste product from the body. So the excretory system, the main function, the removal of nitrogenous waste. And the next, the digestive system. So the salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, liver, intestine from the digestive system. So the main function, breakdown of food into the form can be made used by our body is carried out by this system. So the macromolecule of food converted into smaller micromolecule. ஸோ பெரிய உணவு தேவைகளாக இருக்கக்கூடியதை சிறிய உணவு மூலக்கூறுகளாக மாற்றுறதுக்கு இந்த டைஜஷன் இதாகுது. ஸோ இந்த டைஜஷன் மூலமாக நமக்கு எனர்ஜி கிடைக்குது. ஸோ ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி சிஸ்டம், the trachea and lungs constitute the respiratory system. So the main gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the very important for endocrine system, the pituitary, thyroid and adrenal glands, pancreas constitute the endocrine system. So the main function, the glands produce or secrete hormones that bring about chemical coordination. So thyroid gland secretion, thyroxine hormone, and pancreas, insulin hormone. So these are all very important. Look at the picture. This is plant cell and animal cell. Plant and animal tissue differ in their structure, so based on the characteristic of plants and animals. So the example, plant are autotrophic and do not locomote. So plant autotrophic, that is photosynthesis. The plant leaf, the main work is photosynthesis. So the photosynthesis, the material, carbon dioxide, sun, that is light. Okay. Next, the main function of leaf contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, it is pigment, green pigment. So autotrophic, it is very important. தன்னோட உணவை தானே தயாரிச்சுக்கும் plants. And do not locomote. So locomote means அதால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, plants ஆல இடம்பெயர முடியாது. And animals heterotrophic and locomote. So மனிதனால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், one place to another place move பண்ண முடியும். Hence their tissues and different requirements. So next, the plant tissue and animal tissues, the comparison. So the primarily made up of dead cells, hence require less maintenance. So the plant tissues primarily made up of dead cells, hence require less maintenance. And animal tissues are made up of living cells, so hence require constant repair and maintenance. Plant tissues are rigid in nature to provide support. Rigid. So இப்போ மோனோகாட் பிளான்ட், ஒரு வித்தலை தாவரம், கிராஸ் எடுத்துப்போம். கிராஸில் வந்து அந்த லீஃப் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக நிற்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ரிஜிடு, ஸோ அந்த கேரக்டர் வந்து இல்லை ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. ஸோ ப்ரொவைட் சப்போர்ட், அது ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக நிற்கிறதுக்கு. தென் அனிமல் டிஷ்யூஸ் ஆர் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிள் டு அலோ கிரேட்டர் மூமெண்ட். Look at the picture. Meristematic tissue. So the main point, dividing tissue or meristematic tissue. Meris come from meristos, in divided. So will the main function of tissue is divided to grow the plant. All the parts of body growth. How many parts have meristematic tissue? 3 different parts. Meristematic tissue, each of different name. The first, apical meristem. Second one, lateral meristem. Third one, intercalary meristem. Now, apical meristem. The first one, apical meristem. Explain. Apical meristem located at root and shoot tips. Look at the picture. The apical meristem located at root and shoot tips. This tissue is divided and helps to increase the length. What about second one? Lateral meristem. Do you know the plant body? Lateral means side to side. Located at growth. That is cambium. Helps to increase growth. What about the last tissue? Intercalary meristem. Where is the tissue found? It is located at the base of the leaves or the internodes. Help to grow trunks into branches. Tissue cells filled with cytoplasm. This is require energy, nutrition, carry out various function. But do you know something interesting? Similar tissue at seedling stage. Once divided and mature, characteristic of tissue change at maturity. Division of labor after maturity. All the meristematic tissues exhibit the same function, simple growth of plant. If these are characterized, the dividing tissues okay. What about the non-dividing tissue? Next one, non-dividing tissues, that is permanent tissue. Look at the picture. So 3 type of parenchyma tissue. So first, the non-dividing tissue, that is permanent tissues, are composed by non-dividing, that is kind of the plant is growing. Meristematic tissue after maturity, permanent tissue, that is non-dividing tissue. Mature meristematic tissues. Okay. Permanent tissues. Simple tissues and complex tissues. The permanent tissues divided by 2 categories. So the simple tissue and complex tissue. Simple means very simple structure. All the simple cells almost same. So the simple subdivided into 3 types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So parenchyma, it is parenchyma, it is filter tissue. Collenchyma, it is supporter. Sclerenchyma, it is protector. Parenchyma, present in all organs of the plant. Look at the picture. Parenchyma present in all organs of the plant. It forms the ground tissue, most cortex, pith. It is living tissue, that is the protoplasm, cytoplasm, nucleus. இதெல்லாமே இதில் இருக்கும். And they are thin-walled cells. Cell wall made up of cellulose. The very important cell wall made up of cellulose. Its shape oval, cylindrical, irregular, elongated, and arms and prominent intercellular space. It stored water and air. Ergastric substance. What is ergastric substance? Non-living byproduct, that is starch fat, giving rigidity to plant, that is herbs. Example, rigidity, so leaf straightening, so the supporter, rigidity. And the 5 type of parenchyma tissues subdivided. So the parenchyma, example hydrilla, aquatic plant, and storage parenchyma, root and stem, the example of sugarcane, potato, sugarcane not possible, and potato, root and stem, the storage parenchyma, root and stem, potato best example. Stellate parenchyma, so the shape is star shape. Example, petioles of banana. And chlorenchyma, mesophile of leaf. And prosenchyma, it provides mechanical support. Okay, next one, collenchyma. It is simple. It is living tissue Mechanical tissue. It provides support to the plant. Hypodermis of dicot stem present. Petiole and pedicel. Petiole mean stalk of the leaf. Pedicel mean stalk of flower. It is absent in root. Cell wall unevenly thickened. It is more hemicellular and pectin. Mechanical support to young part of the plants. It is a chloroplast. Chloroplast. It is again divided three types: angular, leucinate, lamellar. Next one, the sclerenchyma. They are dead cell. Logs protoplast. They have lignified sac wall, uniformly and strongly thickened. There are two types of sclerenchyma: scleroids and fibrous. Scleroids, it is dead cell, isometric, thick lignin. So the mechanical in main function, mechanical in function. Children, take your class work note. This is class work time. Take your class work note. Very short question answer. Define meristematic tissue. The parent tissue in plant is the meristematic tissue. Define organism. Different system working toward the functioning of the body from the organism. Children, write fast. Don't use pencil. Only use ink pen. Did you finish? Did you finish the class work? Okay, next one. Okay, children, now the time homework. Take your homework note. Write first. Children, write fast. Okay, children. Thank you.